Welcome to the Dallas-Fort Worth Market Update, July 2025. This is for homes that have sold through June 30th, 2025. Let's get started. All right, pricing, close price, the median, it is slightly barely trending upward a little bit. Take a look. We are at $415,000 is the median close price for, this is Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, okay? And so we are up a little bit from last month, down 10,000 from last year, but holding pretty steady when it comes to pricing, okay? I would say that we are at the peak of the selling season, so we could anticipate seeing the numbers drop a little bit for the rest of the year, depending on those interest rates, right? All right, so the number of sales, 5,973 closed in June. That's, again, down from last month, which typically you do see April and May, sometimes June is the highest months. So we'll start seeing that taper off, except last year the highest month was July. So there you go. If you have a house to sell, maybe now is a good time to sell. Consecutive days on market, how long it takes to sell a home. The average is 65 days, which is down a couple of months to sell a property. It's down from last month just a little bit, and the median days is 33. So what this means is if you are listing your house for sale, half of the homes are selling under a month, which is good news, right? But if you're not listing your house properly, pictures, marketing, staging, and then pricing and right is a big key, then you can expect your home to sit on the market a little longer. All right, we have gone up to 5 months of inventory. We are definitely entered that balanced market. It feels like a balanced market. If you're on the outskirts of Dallas-Fort Worth versus the immediate suburbs of Dallas-Fort Worth, it can feel like a buyer's market all day long. So it really depends at where you're at in Dallas-Fort Worth, how fast a home will sell, and if it feels more like a seller or buyer's market. Technically, 5 and 6 months, we're in a balanced market. The closed price by square foot is on average $218 a square foot. That's about where it should be. It's about average right now, year over year and month over month. And homes are selling at 98.9% of the list price, as long as those prices are listed well. If you sell a house and you list it right, then typically you're getting close to asking price. Only if you list it where it's supposed to be, not overprice it. And sometimes they're going into multiple offers and you can get more than what you list your home for. So it just depends. If you're a buyer, go find the properties that have been on the market for 30 days plus. We can pull that for you, by the way, and you can typically get a better deal on those properties. Expired listings, 7,885. That is up. That's significantly up overall for the year. And so we did sense a pullback in the market in the month of May and June, and it's reflected here as well. So if you're looking at buying or selling a home in Dallas-Fort Worth, I would be so happy to help. Just fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire or Sell My Home Questionnaire in the link below. I'm Dana Pollard, a broker here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'd be happy to help.